Hello, hello, hello. welcome. Bit late as usual. I had some quality time with my fiance, so yeah. Happens on the weekend sometimes. But yeah, we are back. We will be as well. 5th of October, we will already have, well, actually 6th of October, sorry, we will have the streams on Monday during the day. I'm looking forward to that because I think I can pretty much really work on those days without too many interruptions, I hope. That's the plan. And that's the reason why I took those days off, where and I had too much holidays. That was another issue. But yeah, today I want to go back to the terrain and actually start working on the terrain edit again. So what we did yesterday was a little bit side mission of the terrain editor. Not terrain editor, sorry, of the editor in general. And I did this where we added this picker as well, so you can now pick colors. And it allows you to pick colors anywhere, so I can even pick it here, right? And it blocks the input. Oh, if I can, I didn't hit it, but yeah, I mean, in theory, you can see what I can do with that. So it's pretty nice because you can do all kind of things with that if you want to color pick from somewhere. Pretty nice. Right, and then we have like still this thing where we spawn terrain, so that's what we will do today. So let's close all of those again, go back to the terrain panel. And we already established that we have the terrain, and we spawn our volume source. And did I already do the where do we do that? Ah, yeah, in spawn volume source we do that. Perfect. And now we can do this. And in theory, should be good enough to find the volumes that we need to change. So here we have a get sample value, but that one, where is that defined? It's here, right? Yeah. So here we need to as well include our volume sources.h, I guess. Yeah. Then we get our list of like and then we basically do where we get that, right? So we have a vec4 union of that. Now we as well do u and I0 I less than volume sources list count plus I. I think it's sources, right? Yeah. And then for now we just support union, but I mean basically it would be switch on the source operation. Difference and intersect, but for now we will only do that one basically, is the idea. Then we do union equals union while get union of our already have established union and our volume sources. We need more than that, right? So we need to then get the type. So basically that's not that easy then actually, hold on. I mean, it kinda is. For source gradient is switch on the source type, right? I think it is. Yeah. All right, that's great. And we basically have source gradient equals get sample, well, get sphere value and gradient. Add our volume, well, we need to get the data, right? Is it offset or index? Index. Hello, Captain Chica. How is your weekend so far? I mean, it's almost at the end, but hope you had a great weekend. I'm drinking a little bit of sangria, so it will be a fun stream. I think that's radius. Today I picked up the dogs from training. I see. You have dogs, okay. Good to know. Nobody can be perfect. Cats would be nicer, but it's fine to have blocks. Create volume source. See, I think we want to do that. That's fair. I mean, they can be, I think, trained to, I mean, I don't know what you mean for service trained, but I think they can be trained a little bit, right? But yeah, not really. Not good enough, I guess, I would say, yeah. Unpack CSG sphere. And we could say pack CSG sphere, I guess. Can I do a float array here of data and then this is source index? Does that work? Oh, okay. I see. Nice. No, I mean that's nice, I guess. Yeah. What? No, that's not what I wanted. ESG sphere. Sphere position equals data at source index. Where X. Y, Z, and then radius here. +1, +2, +3. Oh, okay. Cool. How are you enjoying it so far, Spain? Like the 3/4 of a year that you're already there. You like it compared to Croatia? Or it's pretty much the same? Wait, wasn't that more expensive? Wasn't that more? Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm misremembering that with Sweden, where it was more when you were um, not fully registered. Oh, okay. Yeah, as I said, I was living then 2.5 years in Sweden as well, so I'm kind of confusing some of them, like some of the bureaucracy stuff between the two. But yeah, nice. So that would be... Wait, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to go here. Yeah. And then here we don't do that. We do CSG sphere is unpack CSG sphere with our volume sources data and our source.index. And then here we have sphere.position and sphere. That's a word position. Sphere position and then sphere radius. Damn, okay, nice. Nice. Good for you. I'm really happy for other people if they get something nice. Alright, and then the union is a vec4. Well, we can do union gradient or like final gradient. And let's do that with the final gradient plus the source gradient. They do everything the opposite way? Okay. I don't know, I mean... Again, that's maybe the same in Croatia or like in like all the countries that are more warm and have sun and then like the sea. But they're like very open and like it's easy to like connect with people, I had the feeling, in Spain. Whereas for example in Austria or in Sweden when I lived there, because in Austria I have like friends from school and stuff like that, but it's a little bit more introverted, everything. It's a kind of like a little bit more grumpy and everything. So yeah. So I kind of miss that, like the laid back kind of attitude. if that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much anywhere, right? I mean, in Spain you will find the same, right? But I don't know. So does this still work? I mean, maybe it does because I didn't recompile the shaders. So let's force that by putting one here. Oh, it will not work actually because I didn't pass in the stuff that is needed for it to work. Do I even have space for that is the question. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't say it like that, but yeah, I don't know. Austria is a little bit more laid back, but still it's very similar to Germany in a lot of sense. And then Sweden was very similar as well, I would say. Or it's just a little bit, I don't know how to say it. Did you try to write the German word there? The bastard. Is that your attempt at writing a German word? Because I know what I think you wrote, but not exactly correct, but I get the sentiment, yeah. I mean, it's almost correct. It's missing one L, I think, right? My German is really bad since I only talk almost. Yeah, it's missing one L, but I mean, details. Yeah, that's maybe fair. I don't know. I can't really say that because, yeah, I'm from Austria, so I don't have like the feeling like I don't get the treatment of being a foreigner in Austria or Germany, right? So I can't really say how it is. So I can only relate to it when I was living in Spain or Sweden. And in Spain I had zero problems. In Sweden, overall I had as well zero problems. There were some weird encounters, but nothing too bad. Yeah, that's pretty much the feeling I had as well. That sounds very accurate. The volume terrain system. And then when we do build our chunk tree, we need some more constants. So how big is that currently? Yeah, we have plenty of space. I mean, if we run out, we have to move it to a word by volume sources list. Volume sources data. Yeah, more than enough. Modric is still playing? Isn't he like 50 by now? Or is it a different guy? Is it a young player? But there was like one when I was, I think in school. I think it was called Modric. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, okay, it's the same. It's 40, okay. Well, okay. I take it back, not that far off from my age. God damn it. That was an own goal to stay in the football terms. Um, and then oak tree here. $17. God damn it. Man. Would love to be there. I am 5 years younger, so guess I'm old. How did that end up me being old? God damn it. Never wanted to get old. Um, I mean, you are clearly not if you're... Let me do the math. 27. I hope I did the math right. I have a computer to do the math for me normally. Alright, I think that should be fine. And then here we do the same. Oh god. Wait, I'm wrong, right? It's 30. Okay, yeah, never mind. God damn it. Well, take it as whatever you want to have it, or me not being able to do math in my head. My excuse is it's very hot. Let me actually turn on the AC. Alright. Yeah, AC activated. Exactly. And hey, what's up? Alright, so we did that, and then we need to evaluate oak tree, which is probably here somewhere. Here. What? Yeah. So here, that one, that one, that one. Where did I put it? After the after the center position. Ah, that's weird. No, let's not do that. Let's put it at the end after the thresholds. Now I'm confused, Captain Chica. You confused me. I'm. With that, you kind of confused me with your age of with the age of your fiance. Ah, that's what you mean. Okay. See, I mean, I know that this is a thing, but I totally didn't follow up to that. Or follow up with that. It's just in my circles, that's not really a thing. But yeah, I heard that, and I know that it's a kind of a meme thing. Did I do everything now? No, right? I still didn't do the split policy. At the end here, we will do that. And we need to include that he... do we? I mean, probably not. Just assume that it's valid there. Volume sources list, volume sources data. Can I not do that in Visual Studio? God damn it, annoying. Alright, let's see how far we get with that. Probably not far. That's fair. And we died, of course. What? Ah, is that not allowed? God damn it. But can I do that? I mean, I guess we could as well just pass in the volume sources list. Oh well, that's anyways garbage what I did there. So it's in CSG sphere. Can do it like that, I guess. Maybe. Sphere 17. Build word octree. Ah, wait. Is it that? Ah, we probably don't have includes. We need the right include here. right. Why would that not work? It's probably have to order it like that. Yeah. All right, we are at other errors. I will be right back. I need a quick break for getting some water and yeah, bathroom break. Be right back. Hey, we lived in a I'm trying. Huh, yeah, that's an interesting... Not sure if that's... I mean, maybe it's possible, I don't know. Not seen it yet, though. I think anywhere. But yeah, be right back. All right, we got some water. Got them. All right, I will look for that later. Oh god, it's behind the thing. Whatever. Future me will figure it out and get it. Don't need to close my water bottle now. Alright. So we have a couple of shader issues. Split policy. No matching overload. But that's right? Yeah, that's... Okay. Then... That's fine as well, I would say. Then maybe... No, that's all good. What? Oh, that's the only thing, right? So like 3 word. Get sample value. That's not how it works. Or is it in a different... Wait, is it in a different shader? No. Can I not pass those further? I mean, I can get around that, but don't really want to. GLSL pass array function. Can I pass a buffer device address to a function? I would have hoped I can. But I mean, maybe I can't. It's not really helpful. I mean, I guess we could do that. Fuck it. Fuck it. U constants volume. I don't know what it's called. Volume sources list, okay. fine. We can do it like that for now. Until I figure out a way how to do it. If there is a way to do it. I mean, the good part is we don't need to change anything here then. That's the only good part about that. And then we can just not do that. Okay. How? Ah, because we have an error in the test function. Wait, was that the issue that we had? Was it the issue that we had an error in the test SDF function or what? And then it, yeah, maybe. Okay. So the unpack. Ah, yeah, maybe we need to do that, right? Because we did that already. Okay, and then we have sphere radius. Undeclared identifier. Yes, of course. But isn't that a scalar integer expression? Do I need to do that? Or what, does it need to be a uint and not a uint 16? Is that what it's complaining about? Seems like it. And then we have no matching overload for evaluate octree, not in build word octree. Did I not do that? Or did I not? I didn't revert that one, never mind. Almost. $185. Ah, here. As geometric error. Maybe. Probably not good enough yet. Yeah. 82. What? But I thought I have that already. I love those shader errors. They're so easy to understand, not. Cannot convert from const float to high vec4 in 82. How does that make any sense? Oh wait, get sample value. No, it's a vec3, right? That looks fine. I mean, I guess we can leave it out. I don't know. U constants volume. I think it's volume sources data. Yeah. Is it that? Alright, and then we go to here. Get rid of that. And we get rid of that, all of those. Not really the best approach, but what can you do if that's how shaders work? I guess we do it like that. Until I figure out a better way. And then go here. I'll remove those. Are you happy with that? Not really, great. Makes perfect sense. I think the matter of fact is that this has to be defined after the... I'm not even sure if I support that. I guess we will find out. I mean, why is that even a thing though? U constants, undeclared identifier, but why would that be? I mean, maybe that works. Maybe I can include afterwards. I'm really not sure if I can do that. Oh, I can actually, it seems like. But it's still the same thing, which is bizarre. So it's maybe not even related. But I am so confused. What happens here? $82. Get sample value. And I mean, what? Am I stupid? I guess I am somehow. 82, select this line. And then sample positions. Looks fine to me. So I mean, if I take those out again. Is that suddenly working again? Still the same. Which is fascinating. Let's rebuild all the shaders. Okay. In sphere.h. The error. Where exactly? 17. Ah, because ray trace terrain. Yeah, that one. And probably the best would be if we include here. Volume sources. Okay. Is it a shader that's broken? Looks like... where... Maybe not. Oh no, it is a shader. Wait, what? That's fun. Render terrain brush. Okay. Where is that? And it complains about undeclared common set. What? Oh, maybe. Maybe those should be in common actually. That's a fair thing. Oh god damn it. Oh, we don't have the binders included or what? In that one. And we do a... oh yeah, we do a bindless thing here. So I guess we should include... should include bindless.h, right? It's actually a big change, which I might have not done in any of those shaders actually. Yeah. Oh, Bindless is here. Alright, where else is it missing? That's different. Word Octree update, okay. Where now we are talking again. We're again at the same error as before. Which is fun. Oh, God damn it. This is my using computer to make computer. Python. But there is no fancy screenshots, so I need to look through code. It's sad. Fetch dependencies, okay. Nice. I mean, that's already something. No, that's cool. I think I'm too tired actually today to get that shader error. Might be a super short stream today. I think I can't figure that out today. Because it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. It's like insane. It's in build word Octree. That much I get. Yeah, it is. It is atrocious. I have done that here as well. Where is it? Set icon. And then you have to do all of that crap to create a bitmap stuff, whatever. It's insane. So you changed from OpenGL to your own fantasy computer now? Does that count as changing? Shell notify icon. No, I'm doing it like that with a window message. And then I think I handled that somewhere, maybe not. No, actually, I think it's just that, and it handles it internally. But yeah, it's still a lot of code for just setting an icon. But yeah, I think I'm too tired to find that error today. I think I have to call it a day. I'm sorry. But yeah, not on top of it today. Because get sample value, we don't use that here, so it's included. Then we go, wait, is don't have that here anymore. Why? Hold on. Where did that go? Volume? No, not that volume. That volume. That's weird, but okay. I think it should be like that. Are we back? We're back. How did I remove that include? I never removed that include, but okay. I guess I did somehow. Do we still have... Does that... Why that doesn't recompile now, right? I have no idea when I removed that include. That is so bizarre. Okay, now it complains about that, which kinda makes sense. Because we probably need to move this. But we did include it here. Ah, wait. Okay, so that maybe doesn't work entirely. Yeah, so that maybe doesn't work. Yeah, okay. So I guess I need to rewrite my shader parser or what? Shader preprocessor. If we are in a shader stage, yeah, I think not gonna happen. I will probably butcher it completely. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem, not gonna lie. I think that's not that simple. Yeah, I have to think about that. It would be nice if we have includes in there. But I think if we are in a shader stage, wait. Okay, yeah, no. Ah, yeah, and then parse stage code. But that one currently doesn't handle includes. I think it shouldn't be too hard to add. Probably. Although, hold on, the includes are not necessarily handled. Hold on, then it maybe actually should work. If I do this and move that down here, shouldn't that work? Maybe it doesn't work. It says U constants undefined. Unfortunate. Wait, it's in ray trace terrain. That's different actually. Hold on, that's a different shader. Wait, that's anyways garbage, right? Because we need... Oh, yeah, okay. Now we need volume sources here as well. Maybe we are onto something here. Trace terrain, we need 2 new ones here. Yeah, so we need more data here. That gets moved outside again. Maybe. Almost 46. Oh yeah, we need of course to include here. Alright, find ray traced. Do we need that there? Wait, hold on. Why would we need that? Oh, because we have the evaluator. Okay. Really? Oh, I guess, yeah. Not too nice, maybe, but I don't know. And then the CPP Aspire. Almost. Did I not save? Oh, I did. I did the with Aspire need. That afterwards? No, not that one, right? That one, maybe. Alright, no, not. I did not call you Constance or what? I did call you Constance. That's not it. Ah, maybe not that. Almost, maybe. Oh yeah, that's a different one. Generate volume. Do we need that? Where do we use that? Hold on. Generate. Oh, maybe we do actually. Hold on. Yeah, we do. Or do we? Is that really still used? I mean, maybe it is. Generate volume. Ah, it's the last one, right? Yeah, okay, we do need that. Never mind. Wait, that's the wrong one. This one, right? Oh, god damn it. Yes. All right. Almost. 37. Ah, yes. Whatever. Should be back. Yes, good. But we are not regenerating, but I think we have all the information to regenerate. So in theory, I could try one thing actually. Let's do that. Let's be naive and do one very, very stupid thing. So instead of actually doing that, because we don't care, let's just take the registry, get our add component. Terrain system. Let's move that here for now. Just so that we have to our runtime component view front. That's the most stupid way to do it. And let's see if it actually works. That should generate hopefully our terrain new. It might as well not do anything. Okay. Didn't exactly work how I would wanted it. Let's go to our test function. Let's actually only do that if we have volume sources. Okay, so we don't have anything or what? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Mm-hmm. Yes. That makes sense. Yeah, so that's why it was stupid to do that. That should be better. I think the valid should be fine. I think we could call a valid here as well. No, adding sphere. But it didn't do anything afterwards. Very sad. Is that not chord or what? No, it is chord. Shouldn't you be executing that? Ah, well, we probably need to redo our shaders so that this message is there. Because our headers are not recompiled. Fun times. Okay, yeah, yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. What the hell? Oh, we have a shader error with that. What? Did I not do that debug print correctly? Eh? What? 19. I mean, maybe it doesn't know the print. I guess we could include that for now. Oh, I mean, maybe, yeah. All right. Interesting. Very sad. Why is that? When we create our volume, we do increase our volume hit, right? Oh, maybe not. We're not doing it. Never mind. That is definitely a problem. Has one volume. Okay. That's good. Okay, how many more do we get here? Let's maybe take that out again. But I mean, that should work, right? Let's actually do here and print our sphere stuff. Percent F, percent F, percent F, and radius percent F. Y, Z, and radius. Nice. Okay. But how are you doing the icon? Because I just load the PNG and put that as the icon. I mean, I convert it to a bitmap and then have it as an icon. Or do you do it with the Windows resource thing, whatever? Because I didn't go that path because I don't think it's that dynamic, so I left it out. It's so bright. Okay. Then maybe I just didn't encounter it yet. I don't know. Why would you not work? Has source percent EU source type source operation Okay. Well, that's garbage. Perfect. Makes you hungry. Not hungry. I know. Yeah, I can relate to that. This whole terrain stuff makes me hungry as well. All right. So that didn't work very well. Where is my... So it's in here that it's already broken. Create. That's true. I am not. Are we actually? Oh yeah, we are. Oh wait. My volume source. No, that should be fine, right? Oh, where maybe. Do think that needs to be aligned by 8. For it to work. I don't think I can do that though, right? Or can I? Maybe I can, I don't know. But yeah, I think I will do 5 more minutes and then I will, as I said, I'm super tired today. But we figured it out, the problem with the shader. Even though it took me longer than it should. Yeah, that's wrong. God damn it. I think it might be something with the alignment or something like that. Maybe. I mean, maybe I need to unpack it, right? Or something like that. For it to be valid. But let's just hardcode it actually, fuck it. Let's just do our CSG sphere here. Or let's set source type. Zero. And we don't do that. We just have a new CSG sphere. At, let's say 200, 100, or like make 0, 0, minus, or make 0, 0, 0, and then here 200 or something like that. And 200. Hey Sadashaw, thank you for the raid. I just wanted to stop though, but thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome everyone. Did we? Oh god, we are doing something. Let's take out the... Oh yeah, well, of course. Oops, stupid me. We need to do that. We need to remove that. Need to clear our shader cache. I hope you had a great stream. Thank you. You have a nice day. And yeah, we're working on my own engine on a volumetric terrain. So basically voxel terrain, you can think of it as Minecraft, but not Minecraft, because we are smoothing the terrain. And now we have, of course, shader error. So let me quickly fix that by putting that around this, and then we are fine, I think. So yeah, or maybe not. 29. Oh yes, of course, we need to comment that. So yeah, welcome everyone. I hope it works now so that I can show you. Okay, there is stuff happening. All right, so what we have is, right, we have a normal, like a game engine, which I built from scratch. So we have a volumetric terrain, just to give everyone a heads up. It's a terrain like 64 kilometers by 64 kilometers, fully 3D in terms of the terrain. So it's like a, yeah, similar to Minecraft, right? But we make a proper mesh out of it, so it's smooth, as you can see with the sphere here. We have sky rendering already. We have a somewhat nice editor, I would say. You can as well, that's something we did yesterday, color pick for the light sources, right? What else? Yeah, the material are shader graphs, similar to, let's remove that breakpoint, similar to Unreal, so you can open that one. Materials, and I think it's this one, and then you can see here we have our beautiful triplanar render shader graph, and that builds a shader in the background, which is then the one we use here. And currently I am working on editing the terrain, because we spawn with a terrain function basically, that builds the base terrain, and then yeah, I tried to edit it and it crashed. So I guess it doesn't work. And we had even a GPU crash, which makes it even more fun. But why would we have a GPU crash? Well, we can do that, sphere.position. Let's do that. And I mean, that should work. We can even do that, fuck that, and we just do that. If we have one, we just take it and that's it. Oh god damn it, that's not what I wanted. But yeah, I will not do that much work anymore today as well. I will head out soon because I'm super tired, but we will be back. Tomorrow is Monday. Don't think I have too much to do on Monday tomorrow. So yeah, let's say we're back tomorrow. No. I mean lightweight in the sense of there's not a lot of boilerplate around it currently, because there is... It's aimed to have like the flexibility that you can add stuff, so it's more of the architecture, not in terms of what PCs it runs on. Most, like the biggest bottleneck, there is not a lot of things that currently are that expensive on the GPU or CPU on the engine itself. I think the biggest problem is that it runs, like it needs Vulkan 1.3 at least, I think. if I remember correctly, with the feature set I currently have, and 1.3 is already, I mean, it's not like super new, but yeah, it's somewhat new. Alright, yeah, not gonna work today. We have some weird crash somewhere, which we have to figure out. But yeah, thank you anyways. I will call it a day here, and we will do the rest tomorrow. I think we are pretty close to having the edit, because that is basically the last part. Not sure where we crash. GPU crashes are always fun. It's probably something with device addresses that we do not handle correctly, because everything else should be fine. But yeah, feel free to follow me. I would really appreciate it. If not, well, that's okay as well. I can't force anyone. We are back tomorrow, 7:30 European time. And as I said, in October, we will be streaming every Monday, and November every Monday as well, during the day. So, because I have taken that time off from work. Have a nice rest of your Sunday and have a great start to the week. Again, Sean, thank you very much for the raid, and thank you Six Cricks. I hope I didn't butcher it too much, for the follow, and welcome back, Captain Chica. But I'm heading out. But I hope your tortillas were good. Were it Mexican or the Spanish tortilla? That's the biggest question I have before I leave. Okay, yeah. I mean, is it Catalan? I thought it's Spanish, but I don't know. What do I know? Anyways, thank you very much. Have a nice rest of your evening. Enjoy your tortilla. I think it will be kind of disgusting until it arrives. But thank you. I hope you have it and enjoy it. So yeah. See you tomorrow. A nice rest of your weekend. Bye bye.